Welcome everyone to today's episode of Dev Talk, where we dive into the rapidly evolving world of developer tools, SaaS, and everything in between. Today, we're exploring a goldmine of resources available for developers who want to enhance their workflow without breaking the bank. We'll be focusing on free tiers from various platforms, especially for infrastructure developers, those in DevOps, system administration, and related fields. Let's kick things off by talking about the importance of free services in the development space. With budget constraints often being a reality for many developers, especially those starting out or working on side projects, finding reliable platforms that offer free tiers is incredibly valuable. So, what exactly do we mean by free tiers? These are long-lasting, free access options for various services: cloud computing, storage, project management, APIs, and more. Basically, they're tools that provide enough functionality for individual or early-stage development without requiring payment upfront. Now you might wonder, how does this help you in your day-to-day coding or project management? Well, think about cloud services like Google Cloud Platform, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. For instance, Google Cloud offers a slew of always free services. Imagine having access to App Engine, Cloud Firestore with 1 GB of storage, or Compute Engine with a free non-preemptible E2 micro instance. These resources provide the perfect playground to test your applications and develop your skills without the cost. Let's dig deeper into a few specific categories that I found particularly interesting. First, cloud management tools. Have you ever used Brainboard or Cloud66? Both offer free plans that allow you to visually build and manage cloud infrastructures. For collaborative developers, this can take the headache out of deployment. You don't need to be an expert in cloud architecture. These platforms streamline the process. How about storage? A must-have for every developer. Services like Backblaze and Dropbox offer free tiers with adequate storage solutions. Backblaze even provides 10 GB of object storage, perfect for developers looking for a simple way to manage files. Moving on to APIs, these are essential for integrating different applications. Tools like NumVerify and IP geolocation APIs provide a monthly allowance of requests for free, allowing developers to enrich their applications with location-based data without incurring costs. It's a perfect way to prototype apps and get user insights. Let's also not forget collaboration tools. Platforms like Discord and Microsoft Teams allow for seamless communication among teams, and guess what? They offer free tiers that can accommodate large teams. What a game changer for remote work. And what about project management? ClickUp and Trello allow for streamlined task management. Both have robust free offerings that can meet the needs of small teams or personal projects without any hitch. Now, I'm sure there are many of you who might be curious about managing coding quality on your projects. Services like GitHub and GitLab provide unlimited public repositories for free, along with integrated CI/CD tools. You get to manage your version control and automate builds with zero costs. So, here's a thought. Why not take advantage of these platforms? Set up a personal project, experiment with APIs, or even collaborate with friends. The possibilities are enormous. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the insights we've gathered today. Free services allow developers to explore, innovate, and create without worrying about financial constraints. They not only enhance your productivity, but also facilitate collaboration in our increasingly remote work environments. Remember, whether you are building cloud applications, managing databases, or